subtraction with regrouping 100 and tens. Now we will see subtraction with regrouping tens and hundreds. As I told you in that video that we will learn about the tens and hundreds together. Yes, that means regrouping tens and hundred together. So here I will write 100 tens and ones. If I will write here 412, from that you have to subtract 288. Right? So as we are doing, first you have to start in addition and subtraction from the ones place only. Okay. So 2 minus 8, that is not possible. What you will do? You will just move to this number, right? You will cut the number, and what comes before 1? That is 0. Okay. And we will cut this number and write the 12 over here. Now from the 12 you have to subtract 8. 12 में से 8 subtract करेंगे? Yes. That will give you number 4. Now here 0 minus 8 is there. 0 minus 8 is not possible. What we will do? We will go to the hundreds place, write the before number and cut this number, and we will write 10 over there. Why we have written 10 over there? As the number is given the 10 to another number, right? So we are adding this, right? So 10 अगर यहाँ पे 1 होता तो we will put 11. If 4 is here, we will put 14. As 0 is here, so if you will add any number with the 0, that will give you the same number. So 10 plus 0, that will 10. So 10 minus 8, that will give you number 2. Now 3 minus 2. So from 3 you have to deduct 2 number. That means, yes, 1 number is there. So this is how you have to solve the subtraction with regrouping. You can see here, we have done regrouping of tens place, and after that hundreds place. Okay. Next, 100 tens and ones, as we are writing, here I will write 667 minus 595. 598. Okay. So what we have to do? Yes, we will start from the ones place. 7 minus 8. That is not possible. So we will subtract this number, write the before number, we will cut this number and write 17 over here. Now from 17 you have to subtract 8 number. So that will give you number 9. Okay. Now after completing the ones place, we will move to the tens place. Now 5 minus 9. Is it possible? No. We will cut this number because it has to move to the nearby number. So near that number 6 is here. So we will write the before number over here as we are doing. And you have to cut this number now, and you will write 15 over there. What you will do? 15. 15 minus 9. What you have to do? You just have to go back up to numbers 9. Okay. So from 15 if you will go back 9 numbers, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. At which number you will reach? Number 6. So that is your answer. Now moving to the 100 place, 5 is here and 5 is here. If you will subtract two similar numbers, that 5 minus 5, you are having 5 chocolates and you have eaten all the chocolates. 5 chocolates, 5 ke 5 kha gaye. What will remain? Nothing. That means if you will subtract same number, then you will get 0 over there. So what is the answer? So here you can't read 0, 6, 9. But instead of that you will pronounce 69 only, because in the 100 place 0 is there. Okay, so 69 is your answer. This is how you have to solve subtraction with the help of regrouping tens and as well as hundreds. Okay, now we'll see subtracting 3-digit number with the 0. Right, how to solve this type of subtraction where 0 will be there. So let's see. Here I will write 600. From that you have to subtract 244. are given. How you will subtract? Yes. So 0 minus 4 is there. So you can't subtract 4 number from the 0. You will go to the nearby your friend, that means nearby the number. So that is also 0. What you will do? You just have to go to that nearby number. So uske nearby number ke paas jao. Yes, so you will cut the number and write the before number. Okay? First step you have to do this. After that you are giving first to this number, then you will give 9 number, right? Because first who has asked? सबसे पहले किसने पूछा था? Yes, this number. So we will give 10 to this. Okay? So first we will give 9 and then we will put 10 over here. Now 10 minus 4. So 10 minus 4, that gives you number 6. Now 9 minus 4 is there. 9 minus 4, that gives you number 5. Right? And 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2, that is number 3. So this is how you can solve this subtraction 3 digit with the 0. Okay. The next 100 tens and ones. Here I will write 800. From that you have to subtract 709. Okay. So what you have to do in this? 0 minus 9. That is not possible. You will go to this number. There is also 0. We move to the next number. That write the before number. Here you will write 9 number. As first it went to this number. वो इसके पास गया. That means tens place will also give the one number to that. So that will be 10. Right? So now from 10 you have to subtract the right number. That is right number is 9. That means 1. If you will subtract 9 from 10, that will give you number 1. Now 9 minus 0. 9 minus 0, that means, yes, as we have learned, that if you will subtract 0 from any number, that same number will be the answer. So 9 will remain as it is. Now moving to the 100 place. 7 minus 7. So 7 minus 7, that gives you number 0. Now what is your answer? That is 91. So this is how you can solve this type of subtraction. Okay. So we'll see now story sums of the subtraction. Story sums. Right? So here I will write one story. There are 664 students in a stadium. Right? Stadium में कितने बच्चे थे? There are 664 there. 664 students. From them, 338 are boys. So how many girls are there? So once again we will read the story. There are 664 students in a stadium. From them 338 are boys. How many girls are there? Yes, so first as you are solving the story sum, first you have to write sentences. Number of students. So number of students are 664, right? And yes, you have to mention 100, tens and ones as well. Okay? Now number of the boys we will write here. Number of boys. So total number of students are given. From that you have to write the number of boys. So you will get the number of girls. So 338 is there. Okay? Let's subtract this. 4 minus 8. That is not possible. We will move to this number. Write the before number. We will cut 4 and write the 14 number over here. So from 14 you have to subtract 8. So that will be number 6. Now 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3, that gives you number 2. And 6 minus 3 is there. So if you will subtract 6. If you will subtract 3 number from the 6, that will give you number 3. So your answer is 326 and that are the number of girls. Here you will write total number of girls. Okay, so here we have completed the story sum of the subtraction, and yes, we have completed our chapter number 4, that is addition and the subtraction of 3-digit numbers. We have seen many different kinds of addition and yes, subtraction as well as story sum of the addition and subtraction, right? So thank you for watching my video. Stay home, stay safe.